ChatGPT nearly puts US lawyers' career in danger. Here's how. ChatGPT is proving to be a curse in disguise. A New York-based lawyer, Peter LoDuca, faced trouble and has nearly put his career in danger after using ChatGPT for the research purpose for his client's lawsuit. As reported by BBC, the attorney is facing prosecution after his assistant, Stephen A. Schwartz, used ChatGPT for legal research. The US court found out that the cases used by Schwartz as reference had no truth to them, and those cases never existed. The judge also labeled the incident as an unprecedented circumstance. According to the report, Schwartz has been serving as an advocate for the past 30 years, and he used OpenAI's tool to look for the references of past cases similar to his client's case. During the court's hearing, Schwartz was asked about the matter, and he defended himself, revealing that he has no clue that there would be a possibility of an AI tool giving out false information based on its popularity and effectiveness. The lawyer also admitted that he regrets relying on the AI chatbot. He also promised to never use AI to supplement his legal research in future without absolute verification of its authenticity. For the unversed, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot launched in November last year. It's developed by OpenAI. The name ChatGPT is the combination of chat, chatbot functionality, and GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. As soon as the AI tool launched, it became talk of the town, as it sparked a debate among the experts and the think tanks from various fields, arguing the pros and cons of this advanced technology.